Every journey begins with a single step. And in the world of crypto, that first step is signing up. Whether you're new to trading or ready to explore new opportunities, CoinLocally makes it simple to get started. In just a few moments, you'll unlock global markets and powerful tools. Let's begin your journey together. On the home page, click the Sign Up button at the top right of the page. In the next page, enter your email and password. Add your referral code, if any. Check the privacy policy box and click Sign Up. Enter the 6-digit code sent to your email. Your account has been successfully created.